Welcome back to Roamin Rascals.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey guys, we're
Happy
back.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
We're at Creatures of the Night.
We are at Creatures of the Night at Zoo Tampa at Lowry Park.
Yes.
And we're gonna try to do a little bit of cool shots. Maybe not so much vlogging, we'll see how the day goes, but mainly just record a lot of the cool stuff that they've put up to us today. So
For Halloween.
because you guys have already seen lots of stuff from this zoo anyways. It's a dope zoo anyways. Go check out those vlogs too.
Yes, we have
Alright.
multiple vlogs from Tampa Zoo, so
Yes,
check them out.
do it.
Yeah.
All right, see you inside, guys.
See you inside.
Wow, she's cool, huh? How is she so tall? Oh, she's got stilts on. Whoa. You not gonna dance?
No, her made a vampire face.
She did? Oh god, he's so scary.
Whoa.
What do you think? Look at dancing. Can he dance?
This is cool.
This is cool. All the dancers and stuff. It's a vibe. Hey,
Look at the tiger costume this guy has. I love it.
School drive by.
All right, Nixie, can you tell them where we are going?
We are going on the walk ride.
Yes, this guy here.
But to go around with you, is it?
Oh, spooky. Ghost Town. Yeah?
This way. Not up there.
I literally just whistled and called y'all.
Oh, sorry, babe, I didn't hear that.
I was like whistling too.
She's coming with us?
I am. I want to ride too.
Okay.
I heard your whistle. I didn't.
Well, why'd you turn
Why didn't you turn around and say anything?
I didn't know it was you.
Wow. And we don't get wet, you say?
No.
That was a big splash.
Yeah.
It just looks like it.
If I get wet, Nick, you owe me an ice cream.
Yeah, same.
I don't have any money.
Yeah, you
Well, that's too bad.
You still have tokens left.
Yeah. Let's get on it.
Oh no. We're not. Whoa.
So wet, aren't we?
No.
We're gonna get so wet.
No, I better not get really wet, Nick. Do I get wet? Oh no. What kind of big bird lives there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Ready? Here we go, jump. Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh, Nick, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Nick, Nick.
Talking about? What are you talking about?
Oh, we want to do it.
Oh my God, Nick!
Nick, we're soaked.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
I thought we did it.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about the
We should have
other-
sat on the front.
You get even more wet, I think.
Wow.
No, we don't get more wet.
Unbelievable.
Wow, never trust a child.
You just want to get
Listen to her.
wet.
Don't listen to her.
I'm never gonna ride a log ride with you again. You traumatized me.
Wow, it's gonna be cold now.
Yeah.
At least you get to take yours off and wring it out. I gotta go to the bathroom for that. Hicks, I cannot believe you.
Wow.
But to be fair, I went on this ride last time and I didn't even get a baby wet.
Well, I did.
I did too.
Wow.
The only reason why I did not go on the ride because I don't want to ruin my makeup, of course.
It looks
you know.
amazing.
Oh, thank you so much. I love my makeup too. I like the hearts and the lipstick, you know. Do you have a favorite color?
Purple.
Purple? Oh, is your name Violet as well?
No.
No, but I was assuming it was Violet because you like purple. So what is your name?
Nyx.
Your name is, that's a Nyx like the nighttime? Yes. That's the most beautiful name I've heard. I love your name so much. Let me guess, you like the nighttime?
Yes.
You do? I love that. Okay, so how was the ride? Was it nice and refreshing?
I thought
It was very wet.
It was very wet. I
Yeah.
see, I understand.
I thought we wouldn't get wet.
You wouldn't get wet? No, I mean you could get wet here and on the ride. I
We
know.
should have had the umbrella.
I know. You know what's funny? The other night, somebody was standing right in the splash zone back to the ride.
Oh, no.
And I was like, hello, talk, like I do very well. And then all of a sudden, whoosh, and then they got splashed in the back. And I should have just been like, oh, I'm so sorry. But I did not think about it, sadly. So they got wet. But guess what? Welcome to Florida. It's okay to get wet sometimes because you won't get too hot.
Yeah, we'll dry out.
Exactly. You won't turn into too much of a puddle.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much.
Nice
Are you
to meet
vloggers?
you. Yeah.
Ooh, what's your YouTube channel?
It's the Roamin Rascals.
The Roamin Rascals. I'm gonna look it up now because I'll be on TV and I get to tell the ringmaster, you know?
Yes, exactly.
Well, thank you so much. I'll be by the carousel if you want to come around to see me.
That's actually where we're sitting.
You are?
Yeah,
You are?
We'll meet you over there then.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Wow, she's sweet.
Let's go back.
She said, let's go back. We're still sitting in the sun to dry off
we
a
need
little
to dry.
bit.
I'm starting to.
I'm soaking wet.
starting to get dry.
You look like a wet rat.
I'm getting wet too.
All right.
How you doing?
That looks terrifying. Where's
Oh, Viking victory.
Oh, now we have the Viking.
We're in the Viking village.
Victor? Viking
Victor.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's Matisse.
Hell there! I am Olaf Skullcrusher. And who are you?
Matthias,
Matthias?
I'm from Denmark.
Ah,
Every Viking.
better name than Matthias. You need a warrior's name if you're gonna survive in these parts. Survive the fearsome Florida men that are about us.
What name do you have
We
for
will
me?
call you Batista. The Bloodthirsty.
Okay, I like
Yes.
Good one.
And you there, what is your name?
Victoria.
Victoria.
Yes.
We will call you Victoria the Vicious.
Yes, I love it.
Fantastic. And you, what is your name? Brian. Brian? Yes. We will call you Brian of the Soft Eyes. I don't know. Lost in those baby blues. I'll take it. Okay, and you, what is your name? What?
Tosh.
Tosh. We will call you Tosh the Tenacious.
I like that.
Guy the Stealthy. You don't like... Oh, that works so much better. You want to do this job? What is your name? Sarah. We will call you Sarah, the Stealer of Talent.
Yeah. Nice. That's good.
Ah, who else? Who else needs
Nick,
a name?
you want one?
Ah, what is your name?
Nix.
Nix? Ah, Nix. We will call you Nix, the Bunny Wrangler.
Yay!
Someone got a cheer. I like it. You see that? That's how you name people. Okay. And what of you? What is your name?
Evan.
Evan. We will call you the Inevitable.
Ah, that's a good one.
Okay, you and
Ray? No.
Her name's
What?
Dee.
D.
We will,
D.
D.
Yeah, D.
We will call you D, the dismissive.
That's a good one.
Hair.
Just hair. Hair is your hobby.
I'm a hairstylist.
Okay. We will call you Rachel, the styling.
I like it.
Get it, Squilly. Oh, good dancing. Wow.
Oh, get it, girls. Let me see it. Oh. It goes down your spine.
Mommy, wanna see what's down there?
Ooh, what you got there?
I got a, what is it called?
Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots. Amazing, dude.
You know
What?
what's down there?
Well, let's look over here. There's some glowing guys.
I'm almost
Oh.
eating it all day.
You better not.
No, we leave Thursday and get back to. They get back. Oh my word! Dottie, look at his ears. It looks like something off of like.
Look at the red river all right there. Oh, he's a piggy. He's a piggy. Wait.
Let's touch them.
Oh my god, this is like a lot of Barbies.
Who's there? What was that?
This way. Underneath and then this way.
Okay, let's not walk through the...
What if I want to dance?
That's so pretty. Amazing.
That's Mickey.
Mickey?
Yeah, that's Mickey.
Hi, Mickey.
Hi, Miss Mickey. Mr. Mickey.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's kind of cool. Hello. It's all the crew.
Hello.
What's over there? Oh, that's the horror maze. Yeah, that's the one. Right, I don't know how much you can see here, friends, but we are going into a little scare maze here. Junkyard of Broken Dreams.
Junkyard of Broken Dreams.
Where the city sleep, na 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 na, walk alone. Nice.
I walk alone, I walk alone.
You ready?
You ready?
Yes.
Can you tell them all to be
Bye-bye.
prepared?
Say spooky vibes. Spooky.
Ooh.
You got it?
Ah!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Play there. Spooky one stop following us finally?
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, tricky.
Bloody Mary.
Something got popped out of me. Bloody Mary.
You gotta say it.
Bloody Mary. Oh, look at this. This is creepy.
Stop. Just stop.
Keep walking, guys. Come on.
We're supposed
Yeah.
Dolls.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of dolls. Okay, that was a lot.
Is this a real person?
That was a lot. That was a lot. No, it's just a doll.
He's creepy.
You guys ready?
No, the chupacabra.
Yeah, the chupacabra is dangerous. Uh-oh.
It sprayed a toilet on it.
Milo, where are you?
Oh, is that a wolf? A wolf one. Did you see the wolf?
Yeah.
It's actually kind of spooky.
Whoa! That was spooky.
What happened? Tell me.
There was evil buddies and creepy, like, all kinds of creepy things. Yeah, toilet spray.
That was spooky, guys.
Ew.
I jumped a few times, I gotta say.
Yeah, that was actually
was,
pretty scary.
That was actually quite fun.
I got scaredy.
I got scared too.
Did you get scared?
We all got scared.
Somebody got scared.
I did
All
get
right.
scared.
I also think with that,
I'm glad the babies weren't there with us though.
Yes, that was
actually
baby.
was scary. Too scary for little kids.
yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Thanks for joining us.
Yes.
For Creatures of the Night.
That was spooky time at the Tampa Zoo at Lowry Park.
Yes, it was really fun.
Oh, spooky.
If you like the video, what do they do?
Like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below.
That's
Yes,
right.
sweetie, awesome.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you guys. Bye. Happy Halloween.
Wow. Ooh.